Pioneer Denim Limited is an emerging state-of-the-art denim fabric manufacturing company. Considering the competitive advantage of being vertically integrated with the group's largest spinning units in Bangladesh, Pioneer Denim assures its quality a step further in the denim fabric manufacturing market. From consuming our own yarn to having an enthusiastic skilled manpower proving R&D, dyeing, weaving, finishing and inspection all under the same production facility is our core strength. Our manufacturing process is equipped with cutting-edge modern high-tech machineries from the USA, Germany, Italy, Switzerland and Belgium to bring out the best quality fabric in the denim market. Most importantly, assuring and fulfilling our promise of providing you with the best denim fabric which you seek for. 150 acres plant located in Hobiganj, Bangladesh. 1.4 million square feet manufacturing plant facility. 60 million yards of fabric production capacity per year, expanding to 80 million yards within 2025. In process of achieving LEED Platinum certification. Modern high-tech European and American machineries.